These Amazon finds will completely transform your home. From clutter to clean and organized, these products make a huge difference in your daily life. They help you save space, stay organized, reduce mess, and make your home easier to manage every day. All the links are in the description below, so let's get into it. Starting off with number 1, the Cozy Essential Vacuum Bags with Electric Pump, a powerful space-saving solution that lets you quickly compress clothes, bedding, and seasonal items using the electric pump, reducing their size and keeping everything neat, organized, and clutter-free. Number 2, the Vasigal LED Bed Frame, a modern and stylish upgrade that instantly enhances the look and feel of your bedroom. It features built-in LED lighting that adds a clean and aesthetic vibe, while also giving you soft lighting for nighttime use. The sturdy frame provides strong and reliable support, and the overall design helps keep your space looking organized, comfortable, and more premium. Number 3, the Msomsla Bed Sheet Organizers, a simple yet highly effective way to keep your bedding neatly stored and easy to access. Instead of dealing with messy stacks, these organizers let you fold and store sheets, pillowcases, and covers in one place, so everything stays clean and structured. It makes your closet look more organized, saves space, and helps you quickly find what you need without creating a mess. Number 4, the Fratomba Collapsible Magazine File Holder, a simple and practical way to keep your papers, magazines, or files neatly organized. Instead of messy stacks on your desk or shelves, it helps you store everything in a clean and structured way. The collapsible design makes it easy to set up or store when not in use, saving space while keeping your area organized and clutter-free. Number 5, the Purse Organizer for Closet, a smart and efficient storage solution that keeps your handbags neatly arranged, protected, and easy to access at all times. Instead of stacking or stuffing your bags, it allows you to store each one separately, helping them maintain their shape and preventing damage or creases. It not only keeps your closet looking clean and organized, but also makes your daily routine much easier by letting you quickly find and grab the bag you need without any hassle. Number 6, the DIMJ Drawer Organizer, a simple yet highly effective solution that completely transforms messy drawers into a clean and organized space. It neatly separates your clothes like t-shirts, underwear, socks, or accessories into individual sections, so everything stays in place and is easy to find. No more digging through piles. It saves time, reduces clutter, and makes your daily routine smoother while giving your drawers a clean, structured, and satisfying look. Number 7, the CTSN SLH 5-Pack Closet Organizers, a smart and practical storage solution that keeps your closet neat, organized, and easy to manage. Instead of messy piles, these boxes neatly separate clothes, blankets, and essentials while protecting them from dust. The stackable, space-saving design helps you maximize storage and makes everything easy to find, giving your home a clean and clutter-free feel. Number 8, the Msomsla 60 Egg Holder, a smart and space-saving way to organize your fridge while keeping your eggs safe and easy to access. Instead of bulky cartons taking up space, this holder neatly stores multiple eggs in one compact design, making your fridge look cleaner and more organized. It's simple, efficient, and makes everyday use much more convenient. Number 9, the BAOYOUNI Expandable Storage Rack Organizer, a smart and adjustable solution that helps you create extra storage space wherever you need it. The expandable design lets you fit it in cabinets, under sinks, or on countertops, making it perfect for organizing kitchen items, bathroom essentials, or daily supplies. It keeps everything neatly arranged and easy to access, making your space more organized and functional. Number 10, the LifeWit 2-Pack Laundry Basket, a simple but super useful solution for keeping your laundry organized and easy to manage. With 2 baskets, you can separate clothes like lights and darks or clean and dirty items, making your routine more efficient. They are lightweight, easy to carry, and help keep your space neat and clutter-free. Number 11, the Oyahami Storage Basket, a stylish and highly practical storage solution that helps you keep your home clean, organized, and visually appealing. It's perfect for storing clothes, blankets, toys, or everyday essentials, keeping everything neatly in one place and easy to access. The soft yet durable design adds a cozy and aesthetic touch to your space, while also reducing clutter. Whether you place it in your bedroom, living room, or nursery, it helps maintain a clean and organized environment without sacrificing style. Number 12, the Tuoshin EM Storage Cabinet. A compact and practical solution that helps you organize your essentials while saving space. It's perfect for storing clothes, accessories, kitchen items, or daily use products in a clean and structured way. The multi-layer design keeps everything separated and easy to access, making your space look more organized and clutter-free. Number 13, the Isonic 3-tier rolling cart. A smart and versatile storage solution that helps you organize your space while keeping everything easily accessible. With 3 spacious tiers, you can store kitchen items, bathroom essentials, office supplies, or daily use products in a clean and structured way. The smooth rolling wheels make it easy to move around wherever you need it, giving you flexible storage that adapts to your space. It's perfect for maximizing small areas while keeping everything neat, organized, and within reach. Number 14, the Zedidia Purse Hanger Organizer. A smart and space-saving way to keep your handbags neatly stored and easy to access. Instead of stacking or stuffing your bags, this hanger lets you organize multiple purses vertically, saving space while keeping each one visible and protected. It's perfect for closets, helping you maintain a clean, organized, and clutter-free setup. Number 15, the Heiser Double Rods Clothes Rack. A smart and space-saving solution that gives you extra hanging space instantly. The double rod design lets you hang more clothes in an organized way, making it perfect for small closets or rooms that need extra storage. It keeps your clothes wrinkle-free, easy to access, and neatly arranged, helping your space look cleaner and more organized. Number 16, the 6-tier space-saving clip pants hanger. A simple but super effective way to organize multiple pants in one compact space. Instead of using separate hangers, this design lets you hang several items vertically, saving a lot of closet space while keeping everything neat and wrinkle-free. It makes your closet look cleaner and much easier to manage. Number 17, the ClearSpace Oversized Moving Bags. A heavy-duty and spacious storage solution that makes moving or organizing large items much easier. These bags can hold a huge amount of clothes, bedding, or essentials in one place, replacing bulky boxes with a more flexible and lightweight option. They are strong, easy to carry, and perfect for keeping everything protected and organized during storage or travel. Number 18, the Univivi Over-the-Door Organizer. A simple and space-saving solution that helps you turn unused door space into extra storage. It easily hangs over any door, giving you multiple pockets to store everyday items like accessories, toiletries, or essentials. It keeps everything visible, organized, and easy to access, making your space cleaner and more efficient. Number 19, the Magic Pants Hangers. A smart and space-saving solution that helps you organize multiple pants in one compact hanger. It uses a vertical design to save a lot of closet space while keeping your clothes neat, wrinkle-free, and easy to access. It makes your closet look cleaner, more organized, and much easier to manage. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more smart finds.